You cannot totally eradicate it.
Not at all.
Why? Because it is the mind frame of the people.
That's right.
It is the mind frame of the people.
Yes.
I go to a place, I think
That by
if I
giving
can-
money or
if
I try to purchase a person.
no. If I give 10 rupees, I can complete my work within 2 minutes.
Yes.
If I do not give 10 rupees, then
This
I
will not
cannot
be done.
So then who are responsible? The persons
persons
at the
who-
helm of affairs
Yes.
are responsible. So if the leader of the family says, give me some money, then I will do it for you. And if you fall a prey to that, you have to suffer the consequences.
No, I say that's a reason.
Ideally speaking, corruption, who is to be blamed? Government is to be blamed because
Yes.
they are conducting the selection
Yes.
process and dealing with fates of people who do not have the money to make their both ends meet. Now, if a person sitting at the helm of affairs says that yes, you give me something, I will arrange to do something. Suppose this
Just
is
like the
good,
concept
bad,
of quid pro
indifferent.
quo.
Good, bad, indifferent.
Just
Suppose
like the concept of quid pro quo.
now his lordship says that prima facie you cannot rule out corruption. Why? Because there is CBI investigation. Your minister is in jail. Your persons on the helm of affairs have already been hauled up. At this stage, you cannot eradicate this finding that
Yes.
there had been no corruption at all.
I only add one thing. I was also this thing exactly.
So then how do the courts save the persons who have built up their families for 5 years having been employed?
Millard, I say, Millard, here I should be joining the issue.
We are wanting an answer on that.
That's
That is
right.
why we are eager to hear what they are wanting to say.
Right. Now, Millard, it is a well settled thing that which my lords have laid, that long standing, because these persons are working for a substantial time and
That is another aspect.
the appointment should not be disturbed.
That is balancing of equities. That
Yes.
will come later.
Yes, yes.
But the thing is, you have to satisfy us that, sir, I am not responsible.
Millard, I
My
say,
friend might have given the money.
Millard, I only submit one thing, that there has to be some clinching evidence on record to establish that corruption has been done.
There are
Present case.
there are, subject to your submissions, there are instances or evidences on record that there had been corruption.
Millard, your
Question is, it has not attained finality.
yes, and
Question
Millard,
is, it has not attained.
we are,
It is
we
under
are citing
investigation.
the example of some honorable ministers. Millard, I do not name.
No,
Now,
wanting an
has there
answer
been
to
a proof of guilt? Has there been, supposing today,
Except
Millard?
there has been no finding of guilt. We are
Yes.
saying so.
Yes, there is no finding of guilt.
But there is an investigation going on.
Yes, that is that is in a latent stage.
Right. So you
It is in a latent stage.
So you satisfy us that this can happen in many cases.
Yes, yes, yes,
An investigation may be a fake investigation also.
yes.
So maybe suppose for one moment we say that the investigation as it is seen will not ultimately succeed.
Yes.
And before it succeeds, you are killing me.
Therefore, Millard, what I was submitting, what I thought over the case, I leave it for my lord's kind consideration and what the other members of the bar will be indicating to my lords. But kindly think this thing that, Millard, tangible evidence on record, but mere statements of any honorable judge, least to speak of, Millard, the order under appeal of the honorable judge who has, Millard, delivered the judgment. That has not been proved, which your lordship is indicating. And that is a sheet anchor of the matter. It is a sheet anchor of the matter. Yes, if there is a proof, then certainly, Millard, I should say that even then, if a person, Millard, makes submissions, he will be rather, Millard, making a misconduct on his part.
So suppose after investigation, guilt is established.
Yes.
You will come to High Court.
Yes.
Then you will go to Supreme Court.
Yes.
In the process, 20 years will go.
Yes.
And your clients would be getting the benefit of 20 years.
They will be directed, Millard. The penal consequences will be imposed upon them. Kindly see, and the fallacy of the law, that cannot be cured.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Bhatt.